Hi everyone, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a Vanguard UK stocks and shares ISA. So please search for Vanguard ISA into Google and it will soon come up. Then you can go onto their website and follow the steps on how to open an ISA account. So this is from a recent request by one of my subscribers, so I thought I'd just try and answer this for you. Now, please do your own due diligence as well when you're doing this. Obviously, you've got to do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own due diligence, and also please like and subscribe if you haven't done already. So what we do here is just go on these steps here. So choose how to invest. Obviously, do your own reading here. So you can invest yourself, which I've done. You can invest in your own, the own shares, own index funds on their website, or you can get them to choose the investments for you, which there is additional cost for this, but they'll see what risk appetite you've got and just help you in deciding what you need to invest in. So it will ask you soon for various details. So keep clicking continue. So confirm if you're eligible now. So are you a UK resident? It's asking you, 18 years or old. So we're going to just quickly go through this now because there's some personal details. So I'm going to fill in the information. So you will see the screen keep changing now. And we're just going to quickly go through. I'm just going to show you what kind of pages you should expect. So your name, address, your date of birth, nationality, national insurance number, and then after all that we get onto the funds and we can have a look at what funds you can invest in. So for this purpose, for this video, I'm going to choose the S&P 500 ones. So as I say, these are ETFs, they are, so they're exchange traded funds. You can only buy and sell them when the market's open. So you'll notice that, like later on when you come to buy them, you might not see money in your account straight away or it go out of your account straight away. It's because you're waiting for the market to be open. So here you go, S&P 500. So you can go on key investor information here to have a look at a bit more information about the funds you might be investing in and have a good read here. So this one tracks the S&P 500, which is just over 500 companies in the US. And you'll see here there's an accumulating one. So what I usually do is just copy this information here, copy what you want to be investing in, and type it into Google, paste it into Google, and then do your own research. So if you go onto their website, by doing this, you'll see a bit more information because you could only see the key investor information on their website when trying to purchase them. But if you go specifically on the website, you can actually see more details on here. What you'll notice as well, there is an accumulating one and a distributing one. So the accumulating one will grow your capital, so any dividends they pay out will keep snowballing and be put back into your investment, so it will grow your capital. But the distributing one is an income one, so if you want an income coming in regularly, like from dividend payments, you can get this if you want as well. I've done the accumulating one because I want to invest for a long-term period and I will just want my investment to build up, so they'll just keep reinvesting whatever I earn back into there. So now you can do a bit more research here. So I go on Yahoo Finance, I find it's quite good because there's a graph there. You can see how well the S&P 500 has done over X amount of years, and you can also see what companies they're invested in the S&P 500. And so this is an index fund. It is tracking the S&P 500, so it's a tracking thing which is tracking all these companies. So here you go, there's a bit more information here. Just do your own due diligence, as I say. And then the next thing I like to do is do a compound interest calculator, because you want to figure out how much money you want to invest in per month and what kind of your returns could be in the future. So everyone's got individual kind of goals they want. I've got like a 30-year goal, which I want to invest in. So I've put 10% in is the kind of average return on S&P 500 over the past 30 years. And I want to put £450 in per month. And there you can see what I'm expecting if I do that, and it is £450, just over £1 million there. And you can just see all the details. Well, every year it's building up, and over 30 years I should just have over £1 million. And that's if the S&P 500 performs how it has done over the past 30 years and gives me 10%. So now you go back on the website once you've done your research, and then you choose the fund you want to invest in. So I've chose that, the accumulating one, and then it will go on to the bank details. So you can choose on the website, you can choose single, monthly, or both. So you can pay in a single payment and then a monthly recurring payment as well to Vanguard. So I've just done on this one a monthly one, £450 per month to pay to them, and then you choose the date what you want to invest in. So choose the date there, and then click continue, and then that's it really. It'll just ask for your bank details next once you've clicked continue. So your investment costs and charges are there, so you can download that and click continue again, and then set up your direct debit. So put your personal details in there, and that's it. And then it will go on the log-on page then. So this is just an example log-on page. I'm not going to show you my details, but when you go on log-on page, you'll have all these options here, and you can invest more money. You can see what you're earning, etc., like that. So this is kind of the page what it looks like. I've obviously blanked out some details here, but just to show you for informational purposes. And then that's it really. So I'll do other videos in the future, but please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope you found this very helpful. And yeah, see you next time.